Hello everyone, this is Ram Mohan Baigane, School Assistant English, ZPHS Sitarampur, Maripeda Mandal, District Mahbubabad. Today we are going to discuss parts of speech. Let us first know the definition of parts of speech. Words are divided into different kinds of classes or parts. They are called parts of speech. The parts of speech are 8 in number based on the usage of the words in a sentence. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Let us first know about the first part of speech, noun. A word used to name a person, place, or a thing is called a noun. For example, in the sentence, Geeta saw an axe in the garden. Geeta is the name of a person, axe is the name of a thing, and garden is the name of a place. So, the words Geeta, axe, and garden are called nouns. Let us go for the second part of speech, pronoun. A word used in place of a noun is called a pronoun. For example, I told Sindhu that the novel which she gave me was interesting. In this sentence, I and me are used for the speaker, which is used for the book. She is used for Sindhu. So the words I, which, she, and me are called pronouns. Let us see the third part of the speech, verb. A word that tells about an action is called a verb. For example, Bhaskar brought the vegetables. Here in this sentence, brought tells the action of Bhaskar. So, brought is a verb. The fourth part of speech is adverb. An adverb is a word which describes or adds to the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. If you observe the three example sentences, sentence 1, he ran fast. Sentence 2, the cat is almost black. Third sentence, the snake crept very quickly. In sentence 1, fast modifies the verb ran. In sentence 2, almost adds to the meaning of the adjective black. In the third sentence, very adds to the meaning of the adverb quickly. So, the words fast, almost, very, and quickly are called the adverbs. Let's see the fifth part of the speech, adjective. A word which qualifies a noun or pronoun and adds something to its meaning is called an adjective. For example, a brave man killed a fierce lion. Here, brave qualifies the noun man. Fierce qualifies the noun lion. So the words brave and fierce are called adjectives. Let's see the sixth part of speech, preposition. A word which shows the relation between a noun or pronoun and some other part in a sentence is called a preposition. A preposition is a word usually placed before a noun or pronoun. For example, the book is on the table. The word on shows the relation between the nouns book and table in the sentence. So, on is called a preposition. The seventh part of speech, conjunction. A conjunction is a word used for joining one word to another word or one sentence to another sentence. It means conjunctions combine the words or sentences. For example, Rama and Lata are sisters. Second example, though they ran fast, they missed the bus. In sentence 1, the noun Rama is joined to the noun Lata. In sentence 2, the sentence they missed the bus is joined to they ran fast by thou. So, and though are called the conjunctions. And last part of speech, eighth part of speech is interjection. A word which expresses some sudden feeling is called an interjection. For example, hooray! India has won the match. In example 2, alas, he is dead. In sentence 1, hooray expresses the feeling of joy. In sentence 2, alas expresses the feeling of sorrow. So, the words hooray and alas are called interjections. Thank you. భయ్యా ఇది ఒక వీడియో చేశాను మీరు చెప్పినట్టుగా. అయితే లాస్ట్లో ఇట్లా స్క్వేర్ బాక్స్ బ్లూ కలర్లో ట్రయాంగులర్ తర్వాత టైము 8 మినిట్స్ 9 సెకండ్స్ వచ్చింది. ఇవి మూడు వచ్చినవి. ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి నేను ఇంకా? స్టాప్ చేశాను. 8 మినిట్స్ 9 సెకండ్స్ అది సేవ్ అయిపోతుంది ఇక. ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఇక్కడ మ్మ్. ఓకే ఓకే, దాన్ని మనం ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయడం ఇక అంతేగా. ఓకే ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు ఈ త్రీ ఐకన్స్ ఇప్పుడు స్క్వేర్ షేప్లో ట్రయాంగులర్ షేప్ టైం ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఈ మూడు ఉన్నాయి ఇందులో ఐకన్స్ మొబైల్ పైన. ఇవి తీసేయడం ఎట్లా? ఇంటూ గుర్తు లేదు దీని మీద. మీకు ఒకటి స్క్రీన్ షాట్ పెట్టా చూడండి ఒకసారి మీకు వాట్సాప్లో. స్క్వేర్ షేప్లో ట్రయాంగులర్ షేప్లో తర్వాత టైం ఒకటి, ఈ మూడే డిస్ప్లే అయినవి, ఇంటూ రాలేదు. Click stop button, square share. Check your save on video.